Let's walk through how to use the stone calculator on Toolkit.law. First, start by opening the Self section, then go to the Gardener page and open the Stone Calculator accordion. Here's how modern legal professionals take advantage of the Stone Calculator accordion. First, begin by choosing your calculation type as area depth, length, width, and depth, or volume. Select your required measurement unit, then enter the length, width, and depth of the area. Choose your material, enter the price, and click the Calculate icon. Your total quantity and cost appear instantly in the data box shown below. You can clear as well as edit values anytime to compare different scenarios. You can also share your calculations effortlessly. This accordion helps you quickly estimate how much stone you need and how much it will cost for property repairs, construction work, or case-related materials. So that is how you use Toolkit.law's Stone Calculator accordion, which is fast, accurate, and built for real legal workflows.